Welcome to the 1-octave C major scale, starting with a 4-beat count-off in the right hand before we do the left hand and both. Let's get started. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Shift up to 1. And then repeat the top note. Repeat. And then a little emphasis on this top note. C. Now the arpeggio, and then stretch to 2, stretch to 3, pinky. The arpeggio is great for emphasizing the C's. C. Repeat. C. 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 And 4 beats to get ready for the left hand. On C3, 1 octave lower. Repeat the top note. 2, 3, shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. Get ready for the arpeggio. Stretch to 4, stretch to 2, 1. Emphasize the tonic or the root. C. Repeat. C. 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 And 4 beats to get ready for both hands. Make sure you can do the scale off the recording before trying to do it with the video. And still emphasize the top note. And the arpeggio. Still emphasizing the root or the tonic. C. Repeat. If you miss a note or get off the scale, then wait until the repeat to jump back in. 2, 3, a little faster. Andante is Italian for ordinary. Repeat. And emphasize those top notes. Now the arpeggio. Repeat. And then 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moderato. Allegretto, which means a little less than allegro. fast as when we started. 120. Allegro.